Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn music theory for FL Studio. Start by understanding the fundamentals of scales and chords. This knowledge is crucial for crafting compelling melodies and harmonies within your productions. Next, familiarize yourself with the FL Studio piano roll, which is your primary tool for applying theory. We'll also cover common chord progressions and the importance of ear training to enhance your musical intuition. Let's dive in and unlock your creative potential. Let's focus on scales and chords. Begin by learning major and minor scales, as they form the backbone of most music. In FL Studio, the piano roll offers excellent visual aids to highlight notes within a chosen scale, making composition much easier. Practice building basic triads and then expand to more complex seventh chords. Don't forget to experiment with chord inversions. They can add a lot of depth and flow to your arrangements, creating a more professional sound. Now, let's explore chord progressions and harmony. Many popular songs use common progressions like the 1-4-5-1, which you can easily apply in FL Studio. Learning to harmonize your melodies with suitable chords will significantly improve your tracks. Try incorporating arpeggios to add dynamic movement and texture. Additionally, understanding basic voice leading principles will ensure your chord changes sound smooth and professional, avoiding any jarring transitions in your music. Finally, consistent practice and ear training are key. Dedicate time each day to compose short musical ideas directly in FL Studio, applying the theory you've learned. Actively listen to your favorite music, trying to identify the scales, chords, and progressions used. Incorporate daily ear training exercises to sharpen your ability to recognize intervals and chords by sound. Analyzing existing tracks will also provide valuable insights into effective musical structures and arrangements, boosting your production skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.